Congratulations, Joseph and Helen Joy, on your upcoming marriage. This is such an exciting time, and I wish I was there to celebrate with you, to see the lovely bride and the handsome groom start their new chapter in life together. Joseph, I hope you know what an amazing person you have chosen to share your life with. I met my sister about 5 years ago, and I instantly fell in love with her because of her sweet spirit, her kind heart. She's smart, she's gorgeous, and she has this faith in God that we all strive for. I know she will be a blessing in your life, in your home, and as the mother of your children. I do have some marriage advice. Number one being, make sure you keep God center of your relationship. With God in the center, you guys can achieve all things. He will bless you, and He will give you the strength and comfort that you need in times of struggle. Number two would be, make sure you celebrate each other's uniqueness and individuality. Remember the things that you fell in love with. Sometimes it's easy to take those things for granted, and there's that saying, whatever you look for, you will find. So make sure you're always looking for the good things in each other. And number three, remember that life is short and sometimes can be fragile, so make sure that you take care of the important things first. Sometimes life gets really hectic and our focus is on the worldly things. But if we take a minute and make sure that the things that we care about most, God and our family, are taken first, you will find a peace that you never imagined you would have, and everything will just come together. Guys, I wish I was there. Just love you both. Wish you the best. And I want to hear all about the wedding, and I want to see pictures. Just know that you have a sister in Chattanooga, Tennessee that loves you. Bye.